Santa Monica College, #1 in transfers and top job trainer on the Westside. Learn more at smc.edu.
Through home hardening, defensible space, and community preparedness, mitigate the intensity, the exposure, and the susceptibility of your house to be damaged by wildfire or by the embers. So I'm going to start by sharing a video. It's a 30-second video, but it will give you a good understanding of how does a house catch fire. Two different structures with two different landscapes in the immediate proximity of the house, and how they responded to the embers. And obviously one structure was catching fire pretty easily, when the other was actually resisting the wildfire. And finally, you have radiant heat. Radiant heat is when you have, for example, in that picture, a tool shed that caught fire from the embers or from direct flame contact. And the energy generated by that fire is eventually working on the structure the closest to it and igniting it because of the material that are being used that are probably not fire resistant enough. For example, if it's close to a window, that is a single pane window, the window can fail, and then you can have fire intrusion in the house and directly on the structure. So how do we avoid that? And yes, in LA County, more than half the houses that are damaged or destroyed by wildfires are ignited by embers. So embers are the thing you really want to pay attention to. For example, if we look at the roof that is right there in the right-hand corner, redoing or upgrading your roof is extremely expensive. We know that. It's also one of the most effective way to protect your house if you have a roof currently that is not grade A fire resistant material.